Hi, everybody. It's me, Dr. Boyd, and I'm recording from my condo in sunny Florida. I wanted to be down here with my husband, Dan, so all my e learning is coming from my lanai out here in St. Pete, Florida. Everything is the same here as it is in Warsaw. Everything is closed. You can only do drive throughs. Groceries, hard to get. We did some in-home groceries the other day and we ordered like 25 items and we only got like 4 of them. So it's not like a fun vacation or anything like that. We're hunkered down at home, but at least we're together, just like you guys are with your family. Very important. Stay healthy, watch out for each other. And staying healthy is what I want to talk to you about. The e-learning assignment for our physical education class, it's going to remain the same. We're going to keep that same schedule that we were having physical education on Monday, Tuesday, and Friday. And I realize that e-learning is only Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. So you can pick whatever other days you want. Regular physical education, you will be required to do 30 minutes of physical activity. That's any physical activity that benefits your wellness and health 3 days a week. Personalized PE will be required to log their physical activity for 30 minutes, 5 days a week. You can pick any of those 5 days or any of those 3 days. You are to make some kind of a log, and I put on Canvas a sample template, but you don't have to use that format at all. You can use any format that works for you. It could just be on notebook paper if you so desire, and staple your sheets together. What you will do is put the date down, the name of the activity that you're doing, for how many minutes that you did it. It's as simple as that. So if you guys decide to go out for a walk, count that. Do it for 30 minutes and then put that down in your activity log. If you choose to do any of the videos that I sent you in Canvas and you do an at-home indoor workout, count that. Just put the name of the workout, the date that you did it, and how many minutes that you did it. It's really going to be pretty easy. I know that you're being active. Now, active doesn't mean sitting in front of your TV and playing video games. I mean active that you're getting your heart rate up, that you're getting steps, that you're moving around. I hope that you're going to breathe some fresh air, go out into the sunshine. There's a lot of things that you can do, of course, to stay being physically active, other than just a PE class. So that's how the log will work. We're going to do that until the spring break time. But if possible, I would love for you to even include what you do over spring break. Hopefully we'll be out of this funk, but if we're not, then just continue to log. At the very end, when you're going to turn it in, your parent or guardian, they don't have to sign each activity. All they have to do is sign the log at the very end. So if you have any questions for me, I would love for you to email me. If you want to talk about it face to face, I'll set up a Google chat with you. And if you have any question about any of the physical activity that you're thinking about doing, just let me know. I just want you to be active, get that heart rate up a bit. Staying cooped up inside all the time probably isn't that good. I'm sure you have a backyard or somewhere that you can go and walk, subdivision, someplace where you can be active. If you're going out for track, I'm sure that your track coach has asked you to remain vigilant on some kind of a workout, personalized. I know that this is just part of your regular routine, and I hope that you continue being physically active. If you have any questions, just let me know. Contact me through email, and I'll get back with you. But that's what the PE physical activity log is all about. It's just logging any physical activity that you do. Again, you do not have to do the videos that I'm putting for you on Canvas. But I will continue to put up new videos every week so that you'll have some choices. And hey, get your brothers and sisters to do the videos with you. Get your mom and dad, get everybody involved. It's good to stay active. You can kind of get a cabin fever if you're indoors for too long. So that's what that part of the assignment is about. I hope that you're working on your vision board. A lot of you have already turned that in for health. We'll only have a health assignment on Wednesday. You know that the vision board is not due until next Wednesday. But again, many of you have turned that in, and I'm grading them as we speak. Again, if you have any questions or concerns, please feel free to contact me. Miss you guys. Bye.